Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how Monopoly Go airplane mode works. This is a step-by-step guide that I want to share with you. So let's get started. First of all, turn off your Wi-Fi and mobile data. Swipe down and enable airplane mode. This cuts all connections to Monopoly Go server. Another option, you open Monopoly Go offline. Start the application when airplane mode is activated. If it's open, it's because sometimes it needs internet. You can roll dice offline. Further option is after that, try to roll the dice. If the result is bad, first close the application and reopen the game. Keep airplane mode on and try rolling again until you get a result you like. And finally, once you are satisfied, turn internet back on, turn off airplane mode and let the game sync. Only one version of your action will be saved, either the last offline roll or the next online roll. This is all for this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in another video.